Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here in Lipay Integrated School. Okay, this is the place, and we go further there. This is the school. All over there. It's a very good remembrance because I seldom come here. My sister got married here, so I visited them, but my sister passed away more than a year ago. Yeah, it's vacation here. It's a school vacation here.
Uncle Wono Manong or Uncle Wono Auntie?
I take a video as my remembrance here. I don't know again when will I come back here. So it's a very nice remembrance. They are my relatives, my nieces and nephews, and my brother-in-law. The grandchildren of my sister. Very happy. Banana trees. Oh, it's the high. That's the high school. This is the elementary school. There. And that's the high school. As you can see, there's an old woman there carrying a wood. Coming. Old man is not old woman.
Kakabalot yung agawit niya. Abong, ay ilakom dito ubin. Ay, nga madaway tubing ijay tapang ko kalian. Ay, ano? Ay, ano?
Awanan. That's the high school.
Mabudong na sa kalipay.
First time ko makikita no, isura ito. No, isura ito yan.
Kunara dito talog. Mango kinara.
Mangga day tayo. Mangga day tayo.
Talog. Mangga diyay.
Mangga day tayo nara diyay. Nara day ta.
No makita ito papaya diay.
Labatit mo bingas na sang tanda. Well, kahit mo? Kahit mo, anuhan? Haan? Apay. Sublimat lang sika dito.
Ay, tigito nga makapuslit ka. Makapuslit ka. Siyempre man nila allowance ka. 50 ka. Oh.
Nagluto kuya kayo lang. Ang balon lang tin na po.
Miss, ikabat aglut-lut si daan may. Makasak.
Nagsaod siya daughter.
Bumangon ka nga ito, makaamutan. Ang naglutot sa daan mo.
Inapoy ko ng pay ka.
Yeah?
Inapoy ko ng nakaliwat at banggang. Gangga uwan. Atagdigos kam lang uman.
It's a part of training, my dear. It's a training for yourself.
Okay lang mo, nasa na lang.
Nasa na yan. Ang dagid mo.
You know, when I was younger, when I was in primary, I always cook for myself. It's a training. Sanay, sanay, sanay.